Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So everyone must have heard about WintWealth. So it's basically a platform where you can invest in corporate bonds. You can invest. So basically, if you know, typically bond size are around some lakhs, so which is very difficult for a retail investor like you and me to invest. So what makes WintWealth is a good platform to invest? That its size is only 10,000. So you can start your investing in bond only from 10,000, and also you can see the return. So if you want the return more than FD and don't want to take much risk like your stock market, then this is the best platform to you to invest. So WintWealth, so basically before investing you have to sign up. To sign up to WintWealth, first of all you should have one Demat account, because all this bond will be in your depository like CDSL or NSDL, and also those are listed bond that will show up in your Demat account, so you can buy and sell in the stock market. So for me, I am using zerodha for my stock trading. So let's see. So once you are done the sign up and done the KYC, and your Demat account and DP is already linked, then how to invest? First you need to go to assets. Okay, so you can see all the assets are listed here. So almost all are sold out. So let's first understand what is listed and what is unlisted. So if you see this is listed, this is unlisted. So listed means these are listed in your stock market. So once you buy your bond here, then it will show up in your Demat account. So once you buy the bond, it will automatically go to your depository account. But those are listed, that will show you in your Demat account. So you can buy and sell and trade in the stock market. So let's say you want to invest. There is only one open, 97% only sold out and 3% remaining. So let's see this one. Okay, so you can see 2 years maturity and your annualized return is 9.5%. And your interest will be given you annually, and all your repayment will be at maturity. So you have to check. Let's go to see asset details. So you can see all the company details are here. So it's a senior secure bond, so it is the highest secure bond in the hierarchy. So if you want, I can make a video on different type of bonds. So if you see here, okay, so your all the mentioned when you'll get the interest and your principal repayment, and what is your minimum investment is 10,000. So if you see, the issue size is 30 crore. So this bond is issue size is 30 crore. And if you see the collateral size, so the collateral size is 1.2% of the issue size. So it's basically 1.2 in 30. So 36 crore is the collateral. So let's go and first visualize your repayment, so you'll understand. So you can see here your company details, all your profit after tax, net worth, all are here. You can go and check it out. So if you go to return calculator and visualize your return repayment schedule, so let's say you have invested 10,000, you have bought one lot. So in 16 March you have invested. So on after 2 years, 16 March 2024, you will get your 10,000 principal along with your interest, which is 9.5%. So 950 and 950. So you will get 10,000 plus 1900. So 9.5 annualized return. Okay, so if you have to invest, so you can see you have to go start investing. So it is 10,208 per slot. So if you want to buy, let's say 2, so it will be 23,800 returns, pre-tax return. So this will be taxable as per your tax slot. And if you see 10% TDS will be deducted upfront. So the TDS will be deducted and tax will be deducted as per your tax slab. So once you are select how much lot you want to buy, then click on invest now. Then you can add it using your bank account transfer, or you can use UPI to add money and buy this one. So once you are done, when you have already invested, then you can go to dashboard and you can see all your bond are here. So you can see I have invested on almost all bonds. So okay, if you see IncRed is a is a listed bond. Okay, so I have bought like your series 3, series 2 and series 1. So it should show in my Zerodha account, so I can sell it or buy it if I want in the stock market. So if you go to my Zerodha account, you can see here Incred series 3, series 1 and series 2 is here. So if I want, I can buy sell in from my Demat account. Okay, so this is how you have to invest, and this is a good platform if you want a return more than FD and don't want to take much risk on it. So I hope you like this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will share the links in my description, so you can join through the link. So thank you everyone.